quality is a hot topic for everybody's health and welfare. With the advent of the problems with the water in Flint, Michigan, and also some of the problems in Chicago, many people have been calling us to find out about what's in their water. We have several things that we can do. We can test for chlorine, chloramines, the pH, and the hardness of the water. Those are indications of the quality of our water. So I'm going to do a quick test of the water right now for you to show you how we're doing that. This is totally unfiltered water in Glenview, Illinois, which is Lake Michigan water. Right now, I'm going to do test for chlorine. This is the first test we do. This shows us how much chlorine is in our water. If we look at the center unit, it should be absolutely clear like this one. This is showing us that there is about 10 parts per million of chlorine in this water. That's a lot. The next test is for chloramines, which is a very similar test. Chloramines are ammonia put in the water as well as the chlorine. And that's a really nasty combination. It's bad for our health, it's bad for our pipes, it's bad for everything. Except, see, there we go. Same thing. It's a very, very high amount of chloramines. The next test we do is for our pH. A high pH is not a good thing for our health. A high pH in our area, we have a fairly high pH of 7. That's not a terrible alarming amount. And then the other thing is hardness. Our water in the Chicago area is fairly hard. It's not as hard as in some other parts of the country, but as we can see from this test, we're somewhere between 7 and 15 grains of hardness. That's very hard. The next thing we're going to test is filtered water supply.